younger students to learn about the environment because when they're older, they'll help other younger students learn about the environment and help the environment.
We can change what we do to help the environment.
And there's also in the environment a lot of stuff that is different than it used to be, and it's changing every day. What being a great leader means to me is helping the environment and people and making like a better, cleaner and better place.
Yeah, that's the same kind of with me, making it a better place and community for people where there's not garbage around and things, like all different things that can make our environment dirty and stuff means helping it, cleaning up.
Presenting to a panel of experts was hard and a little scary because people were staring at you, right? But it was also fun and a little easy because we practiced.
And our experts, Carly and Barney, were amazing.
And it was very exciting.
The Green Leaders program is about E squared, engagement and empowerment. This program is amazing. Students create a question, they do inquiry work looking to see if they can solve it. They work with community partners like Upper Thames to find solutions, and they work with key industry experts who lead them in the way to develop the inquiry. The teacher supports that learning. They come away at the end of the year actually having made a difference in the environment and in their local community. It is amazing. E squared.
We think that environmental education and action in schools is super important because it allows us to get these messages to the youth and to the young people, and that they can share those then messages and that knowledge and their stories of action with their parents and with their greater community, and that really kind of gets the ball rolling.
These leaders from the Green Leaders program are the future. These are our future politicians. These are the future environmentalists. We need to ensure that they know what is happening environmentally in our community.
It's also really important for us to get into the schools and work with the students and show them how they can make changes in their immediate communities so that they can see the rich and diverse ecology that is in their community, and so that they can learn to build relationships with those plants and those animals and those environmentally sensitive spaces.
The students in the HELP program embrace solving real-world problems. They listen to each other, they dive in, they are engaged, they can't wait to find out ways that they can actually contribute to their community and to solving things for the future.
So our biggest hurdle was trying to communicate school-wide to have a more holistic approach to our recycling program, and I think we achieved that through a couple means, both with posters and with our video announcements.
This summit is really all about bringing the students together to celebrate what they've accomplished as Green Leaders throughout the year. It is a time for them to reflect on their accomplishments, the skills they've gained, the experiences they've had, and think about how they can apply this to their lives going forward. These students will be the change makers in our world, so this is just the start of their journey.